Welcome to our channel. If you want to get extended free trials by being referred by current subscribers, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize referral program benefits. Step 1. Identify services you're interested in trying and ask friends, family members, or colleagues who currently subscribe if they have referral programs that benefit both parties. Step 2. Request a referral link or code from your contact who already subscribes to the service. Most referral programs provide unique links that subscribers can share with potential new users. Step 3. Alternatively, search online communities, forums, or social media groups where users share referral codes for mutual benefits when services allow sharing with strangers. Step 4. Before creating your account, ensure you have the referral link or code ready, as you typically need to use it during the initial sign-up process to receive extended trial benefits. Step 5. Click the referral link provided by your contact, which should take you directly to the service's sign-up page with the referral automatically tracked through the URL. Step 6. If using a referral code instead of a link, navigate to the service's website and look for a referral code or promo code field during account creation where you can enter the code. Step 7. Complete your account registration by entering your email, creating a password, and providing payment information as required. The referral benefit should be automatically applied to your new account. Step 8. Verify that your extended trial period has been credited by checking your account dashboard or subscription details. Contact customer support if the referral benefit doesn't appear correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.